So I really hope this isn't gonna spike this time. Because last time I did this, it spiked like a motherfucker. And I have no idea what all I even covered in the last time I did this. But I'm gonna do this now. I gotta dust that off. That's covered in dust. That's disgusting. But hey, what's going on, guys? Zulunationman here. And this vlog was supposed to come out a long time ago. I just been busy and forgetful. Mainly forgetful because I'm lazy as fuck. Because, you know, that's just how I am as a person. But coming from AWA a while back, I want to say it was late September. I'm gonna say it was late September. It's been about a month since then. It's currently 2 days before Halloween, and it's a lot of fun. It was really nice, really enjoyable. It's my second con ever, kind of thing, and it was different solely because the first con I went to, AWA 2016. It was, oh my god, this is what a convention's kind of like. Oh my god, I need to, properly gather myself. This year, I had the money, we had time, like we were fully prepared to go to this con, and it was simply just meet people and have fun for me this year. I did that. I met Little Karibo like 4 different times. I kept running into him. It was weird. He's a super good guy, really nice, really enjoyable to talk to. I met a bunch of new people, got a bunch of phone numbers, talked to a bunch of people, joined some new Discord chats and that kind of thing. And I got a lot of stuff too. Don't mind the bed in the background. Don't mind that. That's okay. I got this though. I got that. So I like wrestling. Wrestling. If you know what this is, too sweet. If you don't worry about it. I got some statuettes. I got Mr. Popo. He sees me when I'm sleeping. And he probably knows when I'm awake too, for that matter. He's honestly the new Santa Claus. I got Gintama. I like me some Gintama. And I got some signed stuff. Some signed things. Got a mask and a hat. So about the hat, actually. About that. I hope I'm not too quiet. I probably am. Oh well. I'll figure it out later. About the hat. I went into a rave. And I don't go to raves. I don't go to parties. That's just not who I am as a person. I don't do that. But I did this one time because I met a bunch of people who were like, Alex, you're going to a rave. I'm like, no, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you're going to a rave. So I went to a rave. I had that hat actually. That's the Elite Hat 2.0. Yes, I had a first one that I lost. Lost. It's gone. The fucker's gone. I can't find him. No one can find him. He's gone. Someone else has him now. He's hopefully in good hands. I doubt it, mind you, but hopefully in good hands. There is something in my eye. Oh my god. Eyelash. Of course it is. And so I didn't feel very comfortable getting into the mosh pit up front next to the stage, just off the bat. So, and we did. Is that this hat? I'll get to that in a moment. Actually, I can't reach that. Oh god. So took this hat, on my head. No, I had bought a mask earlier that day. Took the mask upside down. Took the mask. So this is what you saw if you were there. And I'll get to that actually. I want to hold on to that. And so I went up there like that, just like I am man in the mask mode, activate, and people fucking loved it. Like what? I don't understand the slightest. People were like, yeah, guy in a mask, yeah. I was like, yeah, sure, why not? But let's get to how I lost that hat. The first Elite Hat, too sweet. The first Elite Hat, cease and desist. What had happened was, people are stupid. They don't properly understand how to crowd surf. And just knowledge indicates that when you crowd surf, you go away from the stage so people can see you coming. Because, we're facing the stage, right? We're dancing, we're hopping around, we're jumping up and down, we're facing the stage. So, when you crowd surf, you gotta go away from the stage so we see you coming, or we can push it back and you keep going so you don't fall on your ass and hurt yourself. People didn't do that. people were crowd surfing and going forward towards the stage, and we all had our backs to them, so no one knew that they were coming, obviously, and so they were falling down left and right. One dude took a dive off the stage, and no one caught his ass. He fell and honestly just destroyed himself. Security was like, whatever. Also, you don't pick up the guys that weigh like 200 plus pounds. Because at that point, there's only like a few people who can carry that kind of weight, me being one of them. And it was just me crowd surfing one dude by myself, essentially, just like, go this way, you're too heavy. It is not worth it. Don't be stupid. Only the girls get the crowd surf, and then more specifically, only the girls that are under like, again, 200 pounds in crowd surf. So, yeah, what's in my eye? Oh my gosh, what is happening to me? So what ends up happening, because people are stupid, and they're crowd surfing forward instead of they're crowd surfing poorly instead of properly because they're dumb. A guy crowd surfing, his head hits me back of the head, my hat falls off. All I see is a dark hat fall towards the ground, and I grab it real quick and I put it on my head. I'm like, cool, keep partying, whatever. About 30 minutes passes, and I'm starting to get a little dehydrated. And I'm like, oh man, I need some water. So I go out and I get some water, and I take off the hat to fan myself with it. And I stop, and I look at the hat to put it back on, and it's not my hat. It's just some Adidas hat. This is not my hat. As you can tell, there is no large white lettering that says Elite on the front. It is Adidas. And there's no white trim on the inside or anything, so it's not my hat. It's not. First reaction, though. How the fuck did I lose my hat? Second reaction. Am I gonna go look for it or continue to party and get over it? I'm gonna go party. So I put it back on because I had already been wearing it for about 30 minutes. So I'm like, I'm screwed regardless. I'm already wearing this SOB. So why not just accept it at this point and move on in my life? So I put it back on. I snug it down tight to my head, and I proceed to walk out there and continue just having a good time. There are a bunch of girls being girls and grinding on people because a lot of them are thirsty hoes. You can't lie about that. Thirst is real. They drink up the entirety of the lakes, man. They're gone. We're dried up around here. We need help. And just stupidity rampant. It was a really good time. I had a lot of fun. Played a crazy version of Werewolf with more cars than I ever thought we needed it or was possible. And it was just a good time. All around, it was simply a good time. And I'm looking forward to next year's, hopefully. Maybe by next year I'll be more competent in putting out videos and editing them, so I'll be able to do this properly. So I won't have to try and do it last minute and then sit there and be like, what was I gonna do with this again? Maybe it'll work this time around. We'll see. I doubt it personally, but we'll see. Now, second topic, the videos. I have maybe 30 of y'all watching. About 30, if that really, which is fine. I have no problem with it. This is for me and a few of my friends at this point. So if you're watching, cool, stay. Hello, how you doing? If you're not watching now, so why would that matter to you? So, as it stands right now, I have to set up a new schedule because I'm starting to work more hours. Because it's getting close to Christmas and all, so they're giving me a lot more hours all of a sudden. So I got to figure out how I'm gonna manage that now. I gotta manage that around my schedule, figure that out, and just stop being lazy in general. I'm doing a lot of side projects, I'm preparing for that, so I gotta again figure that out. So hopefully soon I'll get a schedule up for you guys and figure that out. I know what I'm gonna do is off the bat. I'm posting more videos this week, hopefully. I'm gonna be working on it. So this is going to go up on the 1st, on like a Wednesday I want it. So I think that's Wednesday. Hold up. I can check. Yep, Wednesday. So hopefully that Thursday and Friday, maybe just that Friday, I'll get something else up. Just to be like, yo, I'm not officially dead. I'm just kind of dead because I'm still doing this, and it's still fun to do. And I can see if Shaka is still up to editing the videos. I'm editing this one, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, just a lot of stuff been happening recently. Feeling good. I'm feeling that I want to get back into it. Back to the groove of just being myself on the internet in my own little corner. A lot of stupid things have happened since you've seen this face on a camera, or since I've seen it on a camera, I suppose. I'm not entirely sure, but it's been great. It's been nice. It's been enjoyable, and I'm getting back into it. So for now, talk to you guys later.